How to download The Last of Us Part 1. So you need to open any browser. I'm using Chrome, and search for Steam. Go to the first result and tap this button, install Steam. So I have already installed it on my device, so I'm not going to do it again, but you have to do it. All right, just install Steam on your device. After downloading the Steam application, you will find your downloading application somewhere in the downloads. All right, then install it on your computer, and after installing, this will be the Steam logo. Just create an account. It's simple, creating an account, like it's like creating a Facebook account. Just create a Steam account, and your Steam will look like this. This is a library. Go to the store. From here, search for Last of Us, search, and this is a part 1, right? Click this and just give your date of birth. Make sure you are 18 plus. View page and add to cart, view my cart. So from here, continue to payment, and after successfully paying for this game, your game will be reflected on your library somewhere here. Just you will find your game somewhere here, and then you will find an option like this. Just click it, and then you are good to go. So yeah, thanks for watching. Have a great day.